Kigomano giki kirehete hamwe anyiti itemi matiganite sekta-ini igi ucenjia wa riera itemi-ini ria guthurima mitaratara iria thirikari ya Kenya igathikite ya kuhurana na ucenjia wa riera mwaka umwe thutha wa ma-president kuma gitaru-ini kia Afrika gutabania kigomano kigie ucenjia wa riera. Kigomano giki gikinyaniirio ni gikundi kia Jacobs Ladder Africa aria maugite no mwaka gitaru kia Afrika kionanie wirutiri munene niguo kuhurana na thina wa ucenjia wa riera. Murugamiriri munene Sera Bogonko agitariria mamwe ma makinya maria bururi wa Kenya ukinyukitie gukinyaniria na riu.
Our excitement around Africa Climate Summit was the possibility of the number of jobs that would come, whether it was out of the EU deal in terms of investing in energy or the agreement around carbon markets in terms of making sure that Africa gets its fair share when it comes to getting value for its carbon sinks and natural assets.
We're doing a lot of greening initiatives in the institutions so that they can also act. They can participate in several initiatives, be it waste management.
Mwaka muhituku mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto nieranire gukuruhanio kwa mbeu njithi mihango-ini ino. Bogonko akiuga undu uyu ungikinyanirio na njira iria yagiriire bururi wa Kenya no ukorwo ukiyeheria ugwati-ini uria ukoretwo kuo wa ng'aragu kumana na unyihu wa irio.
We do need to be able to keep the momentum by making sure that we're not just talking about these issues, but we're actually implementing.
This convening provides an opportunity to move from rhetoric to action. We are asking ourselves, are we really acting on the declaration? What actions are we taking?
Wagi wa kigina kiiganu gia kung'ethanira na thina wa ucenjia wa riera, wagi wa mai matheru kuri muingi, wagi wa unyitaniri gatagati-ini ka mabururi ma Afrika ni maundu mangi magwetetwo gucungiriria hari kwigucia gwakinya ni kuhurana na thina uyu.
If we don't take action between now and the 2050, we are likely to lose our GDP by about 3 to 5% of our gross domestic product. And that by itself simply means that livelihoods are negatively impacted.
We are actually enforcing and educating our members to embrace renewable energy from solar to wind to hydro, because this one will help to cut carbon emissions.
Kigomano giki ona kuri uguo ni gitanyitwo gutwarithio na mbere muthenya wa rucio kuria mbeu njithi makaheo mweke wa kwaririria maundu maria mangienda makinyanirio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.